Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic crucial for career advancement: advanced Excel skills. Trust me, mastering advanced Excel can be a game changer. We're talking about boosting your earning potential, impressing your boss, and making your work life easier. Let's dive in. Let's talk data. In the modern business landscape, data is everywhere and it's growing exponentially. In today's world, data is king, and those who can harness its power hold a significant advantage. But raw data, not that useful. It's often messy, overwhelming, and hard to interpret. That's where advanced Excel skills come in. Excel isn't just for basic calculations. It's a powerful tool for data analysis. Tools like pivot tables let you slice and dice data like a pro, making it easier to find patterns and insights. Advanced formulas pull insights you wouldn't see otherwise, enabling you to make more informed decisions. And data visualization turns boring spreadsheets into compelling charts, making complex information easy to understand. Mastering these tools is non-negotiable for making data-driven decisions and impressing your boss. With the right skills, you can transform data into a strategic asset. Time is money, right? Every second counts in the fast-paced world of business. Yet, many waste hours on repetitive tasks in Excel. Advanced functions like lookup, index match, and macros can automate these tasks, freeing up valuable time for more strategic work. Imagine analyzing a year's worth of sales data in minutes, not days. It's not just about saving time, it's about reducing errors and improving accuracy. Automated processes ensure consistency and reliability. Ready to ditch the busy work? Embrace the power of automation. Level up those Excel skills. Invest in training and watch your productivity soar. The future of work is efficient and precise. A report filled with errors is useless. Mastering advanced formulas and data modeling in Excel is crucial for accurate financial projections and data-backed forecasts. With advanced Excel skills, you can create sophisticated models and forecasts that inspire confidence and drive smart decision-making. We all face challenges at work. What separates those who thrive? Problem-solving skills. Advanced Excel can seriously up your problem-solving game. Excel's solver add-in and scenario analysis tools help tackle complex problems with confidence. Become a problem-solving ninja with advanced Excel. In today's competitive job market, advanced Excel skills are like a golden ticket. Employers need people who can analyze data and make smart decisions. Mastering advanced Excel is a no-brainer for career growth and higher salaries. We live in a collaborative world. Advanced Excel can help. Share interactive dashboards and visually stunning charts. Communicate complex information clearly, fostering better team collaboration and outcomes. So there you have it. Mastering advanced Excel isn't just about numbers, it's about unlocking success. Imagine being the go-to person in your office for complex data analysis, or the one who can automate tedious tasks with ease. From data analysis to automating tasks, the possibilities are endless. You can create powerful macros that save hours of work, or build intricate charts that make data easy to understand. Tons of resources are available online to help you master these skills. Websites, video tutorials, and online courses are just a few clicks away, offering step-by-step guidance and expert tips. Start investing in your future today by leveling up those Excel skills. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your expertise, there's always something new to learn. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on mastering essential skills. Stay tuned for more content that will help you grow professionally and personally. See you next time. You next.